everybody, I'm Jessica and welcome to Behind the Vanity. Don't forget to, in this left-hand corner, my left, your right, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post more videos. Today, I am really excited. I'm too excited, really. I have been on something called a makeup low-buy. I couldn't do the no-buy, that's too much. But you may have heard the term before, low-buy, no-buy. Basically, it just means that you kind of put a pause or lessen the amount of makeup that you buy because we all buy too much and we don't use it nearly enough. Whether you're a makeup artist, a performer, none of us use the amount of makeup that we actually purchase. I've done really well. I may not be able to be platinum at Ulta anymore. Still buy my skincare, so we'll kind of see where that gets. It won't be because of the makeup, that's for sure. But anywho, I'm really excited because I put off buying this makeup item since before it came out. I knew it was coming. Usually I'm not privy to like knowing what's coming out. I'm terrible at trends. I need to get better at it, and I will. But I knew this was coming out and I resisted buying it, and every time I went to Sephora, Ulta, Belk, anywhere, I would always look at it and I'm like, I just don't need it. I just don't need it. Well, I caved in the other day. Part of it's my husband's fault. He said, you want it, buy it. Anyway, so I bought the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and I have not used it yet because I wanted to share it with you. I bought it 2 days ago and I wanted to open it for the first time with you all today. I recently did a video on how to use the Naked Heat palette for your whole face, eyes, lips, eyebrows. So I'll put a link to that video down below because I'm trying to use that and maximize that palette. And that's a great palette to maximize. I really do think it's a multitasker. So the Naked Reloaded palette, of course, comes in this box, and let us open it. And what I like about this palette, it kind of has a, I don't know, kind of a cushiony kind of a package, but it's really sleek and very pretty. Describe this as having cool tones and warm tones. So it's kind of a mix of various palettes. Of course, Urban Decay, they discontinued their first palette, which I think tended to be a little bit on the warm side, and then the second one was kind of more towards neutrals, towards the cooler tone. So this one, they say, is kind of geared towards both, and it is just stunning. See those colors? I love, this one here is what sold me. I love the fact that it's got peaches and pinks, and it's got browns. And I think a really great thing on this palette is it gives you these two light colors here on the end that are, they're matte shades, and they're lighter colors, because we tend to use the lighter colors on our whole eye and stuff. So I always run out of the lightest colors first. I'm sure you guys do too. So I think it's brilliant that they made those a little bit bigger. I think the second one's in too. Let's see. The two on the outer ends are Blur and Bribe. Then the second one in is Boundaries, and this one here is Barely Baked. And I think those are a little bit bigger than the ones here in the middle. I think that's really clever. A lot of people have complained that there is not a brush to this. I don't mind. I kind of get irritated when there's a brush and you can really only use it for 2 colors. It's almost like these palettes need to come with a brush set. Who agrees? If you agree with that, these palettes should come with a brush for every color, hit like and comment below if you agree as well. Just saying. Anyway, so I don't mind that there's not a brush. It really doesn't bother me because I have to have a bunch of my own anyway. And I do, and they are all clean. Some of them are double-ended, but it's come with a mirror, and I have not even peeled the thing off of it yet. I'll do that right now with you guys. It's also got this really sleek kind of plastic shiny. This, I would imagine, so when your eyeshadow kind of flakes and dusts, that's gonna be really easy to clean. I really like that. For instance, with the first Naked palette, it's velvety, and that's kind of cool, but I feel like it kind of just gets extra dirty, extra fast, and there's really nothing you can do to clean it. And then it's got like this non-slick kind of inside a cardboard box kind of a feel. A lot of traditional palettes have that, and it just doesn't seem as easy to clean. So I love the fact that this is that shiny, It's kind of a shiny plastic that will just wipe clean. So I think it's gorgeous. Have not tried any of the shades yet, but I really, really look forward to trying them. I'm sure this will show up in many a tutorial. Yeah, first impressions. I think this is going to end up being something that I can use a whole lot. So if you've been on the fence about it, buy it. Just go ahead and do it. Just bite the bullet, buy it. Life's too short. So have you bought this yet? Comment below and let me know. And if you haven't, let me know why. I would love to hear from you. And like I said, I resisted forever. Like this video, share this video, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching today. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and comment. Just let me know. Let me know. I would love to know if you have purchased this. Did you purchase it when it first came out? Did you wait way too long like I did? But one thing I do know is I'm sure that I wanted it. I waited months. So anywho, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.